Hey there, it's Steph again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I wanted to go over, a very hot topic that's really affecting anyone who's in LA. And as your ADU specialist and realtor based out of California, I first and foremost want to just say, my heart goes out to everyone who has been affected by these recent fires. I really can't imagine what it is to be in that situation. And so one of the things that we've been doing to be super proactive and helping people is really helping people rebuild, whether it's rebuilding new homes. I know many of you guys think that we only help with ADU build outs, but we can actually help you rebuild your entire property, or possibly help you sell your land to buy another property. Those are sort of like the two different options that I'm currently seeing for people who have been displaced because of the LA fires and who have been affected. So what this process looks like, on the building side, let's say you'd like to rebuild your home. We first have to figure out what the financing is going to look like. And we'd be more than happy to give you a free analysis of what the cost would be to build it out, and also connect you with some of our lenders who may be able to help you navigate the financing. As far as the city process, we are expecting that there's going to be some sort of delay, right? If you can imagine, so many people are going to have to submit permits. And so we're going to possibly be like we were back in the COVID times when there was an influx of ADU applications. We're going to see that with all of these new builds that are going to take place. And so we definitely want to help you guys navigate through that. I know that the city mayor and also, Newsom had said that they were going to streamline the permitting process when building. So that's a plus. I do believe that that would definitely help people be able to rebuild if they have that option. Now, we can talk about that in a one-on-one consultation because everyone's situation is going to be very different. But if you know anybody who has been affected by wildfires and is considering rebuilding, please make sure to have them reach out to me. Maybe this is you. Make sure you schedule a call with me, and then we can go over all of your options and really, make it a win-win for everyone and help you navigate through these tough times. If you're in a position where you are not interested in rebuilding and maybe you want to sell your land, right, to buy somewhere else, because it just doesn't make sense right now to do that. That's also another option that we are currently helping clients with. So there's various ways to help, as a real estate professional, as an ADU advocate. My goal here is to continue to uplift and build communities, and literally going out there and helping people rebuild is going to be one of my main missions for the next year or two, possibly even three. And then also help people buy and build elsewhere, right? And so I this was just a quick video to kind of share with you guys that it's not just always about building ADUs. I can also help you now with new builds. And of course, ADUs is always going to be that one hot topic that I'm always for, because I believe that now more than ever, these ADUs would really help create more housing for people who don't want to have to leave LA, even though, times are tough right now. Not everybody has the luxury to be able to stay, but if they're in a position where they can somehow build more ADUs and help that offset other expenses, then that's also another housing solution. So either way, make sure you guys reach out to me. Some of the ways that I've been able to help people in these last couple of weeks, ever since the fires happened, just to give you guys examples of what people are doing. I had one client in Orange County who decided to rent out their 4 bedroom, 3 bath home. And we were able to help them save some costs on the front end by offering them like 2 months of free management, meaning they wouldn't have to pay for the management until we place the tenant, and then 2 months after that is when they'd have to start paying for management for us to manage the property for them. And the reason why we gave them that discount is because we were also able to help a tenant who was displaced because of the fires, help them waive their application fee, and then have them move in into that 4 bedroom, 3 bath home after verifying everything else like income and credit. So those are just some ways that we've been able to create solutions for people who are currently experiencing these devastating, life events. Another situation that I had was somebody rented out their ADU, also in LA, very near to where the fires were. And so that was actually a midterm rental, but they were able to lock it in for almost a year. And as you guys may know, you're not allowed to do price gouging no more than 10% in California, or at least in LA right now. So one of the things that we've been doing is also keeping an eye on that and making sure that we report people who are doing that. And so there's just various different ways that you can help out. If you have a property that you're thinking of renting, but you don't want to deal with the whole tenant screening process, make sure you guys reach out to me. I can help manage your property, whether it's long term or midterm. And I can also help you find placement, right? And help you find a property that's fully furnished or vacant for the time being until you kind of figure out what it is that you want to do. So either way, make sure you reach out to me. I am here to help. Thank you so much, for watching my videos week in, week out. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe, share it with somebody that you know may benefit from this, and I'll see you on the next one.